All right, guys. So tonight we're going to be covering a session on writing copies for growing startups. So we all know that there are a lot of different startups that are growing today. And these companies very recently get funded. The thing is, when a company gets funded, there's a very good chance of you landing them as a client, and especially when it comes to you copywriting. They require more services because they want their brand to be explained in a much deeper way. So we have a lot of different kinds of growing startups that we clearly can see. Again, there is a startup boom happening. Now, I want you guys to literally take a deep breath because tonight I am going to ask you guys to write copies for growing brands. And we're going to do that. We're going to practice this exercise. When we look at the other brands, some do very specific feature-rich marketing. Some will do luxury branding. So just like that, every single brand out there we see, they have a different marketing style. So if you come up with something like a 360-degree turn in their marketing style, so the marketing vision and mission and the way they want to go about might get hampered. And this is what I want you guys to understand, that when I'm going to give you the startup, will you be able to understand what the startup signifies and what they want to push, vis-a-vis how do customers take that in, and it acts as and you need to act as a good bridge amongst the two. Let's pick up the first startup as Nykaa. For Nykaa, I want you to design a one-liner social media campaign. So we've got Vishakha Meena, and she's messaged, "It's all about the beauty in you." All right, not bad. Harman says, "We craft perfection for you." Okay. Sakina says, "Always beautiful." Simple. I like it. Fahad, "This festive season, be you." Nykaa logo enters. Be you. So I like, at least Fahad came up with this. I'm not asking you to create a tagline for Nykaa as a brand. I said you have to create a social media campaign. And at least Fahad came up with something like, at least because festive seasons are happening. So, he brought in festive season. So guys, that's the presence of mind I do expect. Okay, so chalo. Let's come up with something different. Obviously, like if that is not there, so what can we come up with? We've come up with beauty. Let's come up with a different kind of startup, and let's go with, okay, now here's an interesting one, and let's see how many of you can do that. How many of you know about this electric scooter that Ola is coming up with? We all know Ola. Ola is just coming up with electric scooters. So, you can directly buy that. Create a tagline for Ola scooters. Okay, Mayank Rastogi, Ola Electric, let's be the change. Okay. Adil, comfort for you and your loved ones. Okay. Ab petrol ki zarurat nahi. I like that one, by the way. It's not bad. I mean, considering for the kind of target group that we are targeting for Ola electric scooters, I like the fact that, it is pretty simple, to the point, and in Hindi as well. I think that's going to work out really good for the masses. I really like this, Harman. Ab petrol ki zarurat nahi. I think it's pretty good. What I really like about Harman's tagline is that Ola Electric cannot be for the premium class people, because Ola is driven by, like, people take Ola that are from the middle class, lower class, just a little upper class or upper middle class kind of crowds. They travel in Ola. So you need to kind of cater to the masses. You have to talk to the masses, and the masses are troubled by petrol. Like, they really hate petrol. Whereas when we look at something like a Drive Green that I can see right now, Drive Green is a concept that would be it's like veganism in a way. Like, it's not something that's made for the masses. It's for the classy crowd that's at the top or something like that, who can afford something like that. But Ola Electric will never really call out to that crowd. Ola Electric would be for the generic crowd. Essentially, that, okay, you can be using a petrol scooter and be spending like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 rupees petrol every month, apart from the EMI that you're giving. Here, you don't have to give that much, and yet you get a complete electric scooter, no maintenance required, blah, 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 all those things. So that way, yes, it has a point. And the best part is, scooter is something that you don't really do interstate travels in. You do an intrastate travel in that, and intracity travel usually. So for that, I think electric scooties make complete sense. Absolutely. So for sure, I mean, this is something which is worth thinking about. it's really not bad. And we know that the generic audience is really pissed off about petrol. Like, the petrol price is skyrocketing. So ab petrol ki zarurat nahi is a campaign which I think is pretty apt for Ola Electric. I like this one too. Unlimited journey. Fahad, Ola Electric, chala chal befikar. I like this one too, by the way. Fahad, very good one. Huh? Chala chal befikar. Very, very interesting. I really like this tagline. So, befikar in a way is very subtly hinting that petrol की अब कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, तो बेफिक्र होके बस चलते रहो. So, Ola Electric Chala Chal Befikar is quite good. I mean, if I didn't know, I mean, it feels like you just, ripped off one of the big agencies and their tagline, because it's actually pretty good. मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. Chala Chal Befikar, definitely very, very good, undoubtedly. I expect more people to come in, and you people should also have some good ideas. And it's not like it was bad. It's like you guys had to warm up a little bit to get that, your creative juices flowing. But I know these kind of sessions actually help you out. It helps you get out of your comfort zone, helps you get into that creativity zone which you would like to get into, and sometimes we don't get to practice that. So that's the reason we have these kind of sessions sometimes on Thursdays, and I hope you guys liked it. I really like 2 of Fahad's, 2 of Krishna's, and 1 of Harman's. I think you guys were really, really good. काफ़ी अच्छा था. इनफैक्ट कुछ तो ऐसे थे जो अगर मेरी माने वो ब्रांड्स, तो मैं तो अभी के अभी बोलूँगा, go out there and start implementing this particular campaign. It's pretty damn good. या फिर I can work with you to pitch on that. कि चलो इस पे और बड़ा बनाते हैं, and we can make it really good, and we can properly pitch it as an agency to a particular brand. It's really good. I'm not joking. Some of them are really, really good. To the others, I realized some of them are a little generic. Some of them did not understand the TG. Some of them did not understand the brand vision. Some of you guys started something but not enough creative inputs. That's okay. The idea here is not to be right. There is nothing right or wrong. The idea here is to exercise your creative mind. That's it. You just exercise your creative mind and try to be better around it, because otherwise you're not going to play this game, right? So here, because you play this game, I give you scenarios, you try to think, your mind goes in places that it won't otherwise, and that's how you actually get better. So all right, I think with that I can end tonight's session. CP, और मुझे rage नहीं coffee दो. This is good यार फहद. बहुत मज़ा आता है ऐसे सेशन में. तो चलो और भी करेंगे फिर ऐसे सेशन में मज़ा आता है, तो वी विल इंक्रीज दिस. थोड़े और सेशन ऐसे लेके आएंगे ताकि सब सकीन है. देख, फहद ऑन फायर. एब्सोल्युटली, फहद इज कम्प्लीटली ऑन फायर आज. टीपी और मुझे रेज नहीं, कॉफ़ी दो. Really good one, really good. Chalo guys, I think it was a great session. I really enjoyed the session, to be very honest, and I like this when I get more participation from you guys. करेंगे और ऐसे sessions और आगे भी करेंगे. For now, good night. If you learned something, please go to the Telegram group, put in some nice words. अभी पिछले वाले मुझे upload करने पड़ेंगे. अभी मैंने screenshot ले लिए हैं, so I will upload that on my Insta story अभी. So meanwhile, please do put in some nice words. What were the things that you learned, the things that you practiced? What all does it help you in? How do you think it helps you out? Please put it on the Telegram group, and I hope you guys had fun. A few things, of course, my workshop's coming. I don't know if you guys know about it. There's a high ticket closing workshop that I've started, and it's gonna come up. I'm gonna give more updates about it in the coming time, maybe on Monday. It's on Tuesday though. I will give you updates about it. I think it'll start rolling from tomorrow onwards. So let's see how it works out. Take care guys. Telegram में मिलते हैं. Please go to Telegram. Put in some nice words. What did you learn from the session? And rest. Have a nice weekend. Take care guys. Bye bye.